Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to my lecturer, Sir Muhammad Azizi bin Muhammad Arifin, and whoever watching this video. My name is Amirul Ikmal bin Zainal Abidin, and I am from CS2554A. Today I will going to present about my ITT440 individual project. The task is about to choose a network protocol. So the network protocol that I have choose is about message send protocol, or MSP. So this is the short briefing about what is MSP is about. So message send protocol, or MSP, is an application layer protocol used to send a short message between nodes on a network. The original version of the protocol was published in 1990, and it was updated as Message Send Protocol 2 in 1992. So there are two type-based service that includes in this MSP. First is TCP based service, and another one is about UDP based service. So as a summary, MSP, Message Send Protocol, is used to send a short message to a given user. Now let's proceed to the code for client and server. So this is my code for server, and this is code for client. Alright, for server, this is the code is contained socket, bind, listen, receive, and also send. Alright, the server will be waiting for a connection from the client, and once it's connected, this message will show on the client side, this one. Alright, this is the thread client connection, which will form a message to client. After that, client will enter the message. After sending the message, it will show on the server side. Alright, and then the server also can enter the message to the client. Once client receive the message from the server, it will close the connection automatically. Next, this is the process which server will accept the client request, and it will show the client IP address, right? And it will do the thread count, which show how many client connected to the server. Next, we proceed to client side. So this is the code that contains socket, connect, send, and receive. So client will be waiting the connection from server. Once it's connected, it will prompt us to enter the message to the server in the client. Alright, once client accept message from the server, it will automatically be disconnected. Now we proceed to the testing our code. So this is my putty server side, and this is for client side. Now we will enter the command at the server side, python 3 server.py, and it will show the waiting for a connection. It waiting a connection from the client. So we enter the command at the client side, python 3 client.py. Now it's connected to the client, and it show the IP address, the client IP address, and the thread number is 1. It means there are 1 connected. So we enter the message to the server. Hello, So the message from the client also show at the server side. Now we enter the message to the client at the server side by the message from server also show at the client side, and it automatically disconnected. If we want to use it again, we enter the same command python 3 client.py, and it show the thread number 2. This is the second client that is connected to the server, and we entered again the message, and it is disconnected after the message from the server accept. Alright, sometimes there are some barriers in a server side, which is if we want to use it again by entering the same command python 3 server.py again, it will show the error which is the address already used, like this one, yeah, address already in use. So for overcome this, I use this command for kill the process ID, because there is already a program that binds with the port. So I will use this command psax grep python after that we will see the process ID and the file name. Now we will enter this command sudo kill -9, and we enter the process ID. So for this we enter the 1084, it will kill, then we will enter it again, sudo kill 1087 and also 1088. So there are three process ID kill, and then we can use it again, python 3 server.py. So and then we can use it again. I think that's all from me for my presentation. The code I will put in my GitHub, and the link of the GitHub will be in the description of this video. And that's all from me. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.